All right, so we have a question on the board. So we are told that O is the center of the cycle, and we should find the angle ACD, ACD, the angle here. So let's call it what? X degree. So how can we solve this quickly? It's not that difficult. You just have to understand cycle theorems, and you'll be able to solve this. So let's look at the board. You can see to solve this, we have to just study the cycle. Now, what did you see? You can see that line BC is a chord. Now, what is a chord? A chord is a line that connects 2 points in a cycle without passing through the center. So line BC is a chord. Now, if you notice line BC, you can see that the chord sustains an angle at the center. Remember, we are told that O is the center of the cycle. So the chord sustains an angle at the center, BOC, which is what? 120 degree. Now, the chord also sustains another angle at the circumference. The part of the cycle, the circumference. So BAC also is an angle sustained by the chord BC. So now, what's the relationship between these two angles? We are told that BOC is equals to 120 degree. Now, there is a theorem that governs the relationship. The theorem says that what? An angle at the center of the cycle is 2 times the angle at the circumference. So what does it mean? If BOC is the angle at the center, therefore BAC is equals to what? Half of 120 degree. That is half of the angle in the center, which is what? 60 degree. So our angle BAC here becomes what? 60 degree. Now, we have gotten this angle. Together, everything gives you what? 60 plus 30, 90. What does it mean? Our angle BAD is equals to what? 90 degree. Now, our goal is to find the angle X. Now, how can we get this? Now, if you look at the diagram very well, you'll notice that the figure inside the cycle is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, right? Line AB, BC, CD, and DA is a quadrilateral. Another thing you're going to notice that the vertices, or that is the edges of the quadrilateral, touches the cycle. So this is what? A cyclic quadrilateral. The vertices of the quadrilateral touches the cycle, so it becomes a cyclic quadrilateral. So another theorem states that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Now, what are supplementary angles? Angles that when you add them up, it gives you 180 degree. So in a nutshell, it's trying to say that angle BAD plus angle BCD are supplementary angles. When you add them up, it will give you 180 degree. But our goal, remember, is to find what? This angle here, X. Now, what does it mean? It means that angle BCD, this angle now, we can get it. Angle BCD is equals to what? 180 degree minus angle BAD. What is BAD? Or the angle here, which is what? 90 degree. So 180 minus 90 will give you 90 degree. But remember, BCD is 90 degree. But you can see what makes up BCD? 40 and X. So you can write it, but your angle BCD is equals to what? 40 plus X. That is 40 degree plus X degree, which makes it what? 90 degree. So therefore, your X degree will be equals to what? 90 degree minus 40 degree, which is what? 40 degree, which is what? 50 degree. So our answer to the question, angle ACD, ACD, which is x degree, is equals to what? 50 degree. That's your final answer.